Today I'm going to demonstrate the Sfaim Breath. Sfaim Breath is a yogic breath which helps you retain, or I would say go deeper into the medicinal properties of single malt whiskey, because you're accessing the real medicinal properties, the tannins, which are volatile substances, directly into your brain. And because these tannins are overwhelming your brain, it gives a signal to your body to drink whiskey in a reduced manner, a reduced volume, and in that exact portion which exerts its medicinal benefits, because whiskey is digestive, it is quick acting, it clears toxins from your cells. But to derive these properties, a certain kind of hormonal profile, first the whiskey should be an astringent complex. Astringent means, I'm not saying that it is astringent in taste. All tastes are a combination of all 6 tastes, but it should be hit a perfect astringent complex which tells your brain that this process of cleansing is to be started. It should be of the perfect potency so that the cells are able to either gain heat or release heat to remove the toxins. And it should have a post-digestive effect, means a neutral effect, not only on the entire system but on the metabolism. Mostly sweet to little bit of alkaline is fine, what we call as madhur kaśāya. So you get the perfect medicinal properties of a single malt whiskey, and you can also enjoy it. So this is for people who love drinking alcohol but want to develop an awareness. And only I have found this with single malt Scotch whiskies, and there are particular profiles which match the kind of research which is mentioned in my book. So here we go with the Sfaim Breath. The idea here is that you have to first inhale into your stomach completely, then exhale. After you have exhaled, you can pick up a glass with the whiskey, then inhale completely into your belly, then drink minimum 5 to 10 ml, completely swish it. Even if your tongue goes numb, it is fine. Don't exhale, then drink it. When you swallow it, it will come and hit your throat. Hold it there and slowly exhale. You have to time it properly. The more time you hold it and very slowly you exhale, the more profound benefits you will get. Of course, it is not going to happen overnight, so you can start with water. And I'm going to show you with the whiskey here. I've got an Aberdeen Cask Enna. It's a normal whiskey. I won't say it's a highly medicinal whiskey, but this is what I have right now. I'm pouring a small dram. Now, as I said, inhale, exhale. Now inhale and take it. This voice. And the moment you take this whiskey, you'll understand with this method, and you can drink it normally. When you do it with this method, you will understand how sweet it is, where it is hitting, and the moment you get that profile which is not matching the health, don't take that whiskey. So a tip is that you always invest in minis or miniatures, or sample some whiskey with this breath, and only if it hits you properly, you buy that bottle. So this is 48%. It is like matured in different casks. I have a separate review about it. But this is not a good whiskey for health. It is good whiskey for starter, because it will get more and more sweeter that I drink it with the Sfaim Breath. But if I drink it normally, I won't feel anything.